your marks. Get set.
Go.
Go.
Go, Leah.
You say like that, Leah. Yeah. Hell yeah. We've been at it for about an hour now, off and on. She's getting good. I'm getting my balance. My power slides are useless. Can't power slide for shit. At least I can do T-stop though. Woo! That good, isn't it? Does it hurt your feet?
Yeah.
My feet starting to hurt. We've got to get used to it. Go on then. Couple more. It's her first time on our skates. Well, on land. She had to go inside a bit, but now she can stand up. Balance is alright. She just don't know how to T-stop or brake at the moment, but she's getting there. Go on in again. Got 50 more to do. Yeah, you've got to get used to it, girl. Go on. And then we go. When these lot go, we skate round in circles. It's knackering though. Whew. Just document it. You know what I mean, Leah? We document you, right? Not bad, is it? At least you can skate now, can't you? Come on then. Don't stop. Watch the mud. It's a bit muddy here and slippery here. Woohoo! I don't know what my boy's doing over there. Oi! Hey, what are you doing? Huh? You want to play skates as well? No? What's wrong here? Go on then. Go on. Keep going, girl. Knackered? Okay. Keep your tune if we go round in circles. Woohoo! Knackered. That's a bit of bad language, isn't it? Leah. Do inners, do that. That will slow you down. Yeah? Like this, Leah. Leah. Like that. Just keep going in and out. And that'll slow you down, right? And then try T-stop as well. Go on. In and out, do in and out, slow you down. Yes, it. That's it. T-stop. Faster and T-stop. Faster, T-stop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. T-stop. Drag your feet at the back. Come on, that's easy one. Go on, again. Ace, keep pedalling, mate. Come on, keep pedalling. If you want to learn how to ride a bike, taking them stabilisers off tomorrow. Whee! Have you fell over yet? Right, come on. Non-stopping now. Non-stopping. Try not to go in the mud, Leo, it's a bit slippery there. So she goes in more mud. Ooh, go on, shut that down. Fucking ass, what do you pay council tax for? You fell over that. Yes. No. No, backwards now. Can you do backwards? Try. This is a knackering sport. Woohoo! Hey, level 4. T-stop. You need to practice on that T-stop. Then we can take that stop off the back. Like this there, you've got to just drag your feet. So right feet, just do your right feet first till you know, master it, and then you can try your left.
Why do you need things?
I need to get some water. You thirsty?
No.
Alright. We're going to call that the end of the vid. More kids coming to the park, it looks like. So, you know, you've got to share the park. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, Empire Solo. Peace. Go on.